Hello friends, today I came here with a new topic, fifth house lord in the fifth house. Before starting with the topic, let us know what is fifth house and what we see from it. Fifth house represents love, child, creativity, graduate level of education, affair, past life karma, lottery, name and fame, emotions, etc. will be seen from the fifth house. When fifth house lord placed in the fifth house, native will be wise and intelligent. He will be of creative mind. He will be interested in religious matter. He will achieve good marks in graduate level of exam. He will be interested in astrology and mathematics. When fifth house lord placed in the fifth house and aspected by a beneficial planet, native will be of religious nature. He will be blessed with number of sons. Native children will bring good fortune for him. He will take interest in lottery and share market. He may have big friend circle. He will be benefited by his friend. When fifth house lord placed in the fifth house and aspected by an evil planet or conjunct with it, he will be of atheistic and wicked nature. He will cheat his love partner. He will not get support and love from his sons, or he will have no sons. He will spend lot of money on gambling and his friend circle. When fifth house lord placed in the fifth house and conjunct with the seventh house lord and aspected by the beneficial planet, he will be blessed with a beautiful wife. His children and wife bring good fortune for him. He shall do religious traveling after his marriage. Due to his past life good karma, native achieve good wife and children in this life. In this planetary position, it has seen native will do love marriage or girl will be of his choice. He will deeply attached with his children. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks.